This machine, it is the 4-axis machine. The most important part, it is the rotary. Now we see it is the counterbalance. Now we give it the power. We turn on the power. First from this button. And then next it is here. Now we should be restart the software and then set up the software. Install. First from here, we use it is this one. We already packaged the parameter the software package. Open we choose the English. Press yes to start the update system. Yes. Yes. Would you put the grid files separate? No, not separate the parameter. Now he will be so you will you restart the computer? No. And now it's already installed here. Now we open it. The fully now we seeing it is about the software. It is 4-axis. First we choose here. Here it is the feeder. It's the speed. This is the spindle. We tend to biggest. And the parameter now we should be set up. We check the parameter. Now we press the parameter button. And here it is fullest parameter here. And now we press this one. Because some parameters we can't see it. We should be enter the password. The password it is the NC Studio. NC. Now we already in. We press the all. Because this software it is before we already installed the software. So all the parameters we already set up. We only packaged the parameter, so don't worry. We only check it. It's okay. First, check the direction. X, Y, Z, A, and the puzzle. The puzzle it is 0.005. All the axes it is this number. This. So if the puzzle it is correctly, so now we check its the direction. Now we should be make sure it is that this machine, the X, it is X minus is going to this way, that way in front, and the Y it is like this. The Z it is here. If you don't know the direction, you can check here and here, 3 axes, and also have a rotary. The rotary no problem. Now we check it. First we go in the X minus. X minus. It's going, no problem. And then we move the Y plus. It's also correct. And then the Z minus. It's also no problem. And then now we check the rotary, it's working or not. Only simply working. It's also no problem. So Now the direction is correctly, and the puzzle it also is right correctly. So now we first give it back to the hole, back to the hole. Now usually we use here. Over it, all back to reference point. You can check the machine. It's moving. First it's moving. It is Z. First back home, and then the X, and also the Y and the A, the rotary. While all the axes fully back home, this place, it will be fully turned to 0. And then now it's back home finished. Now next is what work we do. First I tell you about the software some functions. This one is a speed. This is about the spindle. If the spindle is here, the spindle will be not working. We should be turned to the maxes, percent 100. And this one also turned to fully. And here have more functions. Load, it said the files we should be loaded here, and then it can working. If do not have the files, it can't work. This place it's used for set up the origin, the workpiece. This place usually mostly used it's this place, and the parameter. And also have the offset and other ones the settings. And also we checked it is we are seeing it's here. What things it working? It's like this. How more we can check by yourself, any place. And now we have a look about the machine. At first, machine already is kind of working. So now we should be checked. It is the connection, the motor's connection, and this place also is the motor's connection. This is the rotary motor, and this two they are the same. Also connect correctly, and also should be checked it's the processor, no, the compressor, the air not too lower, percent 0.6 around, it's okay. And also don't forget it is the water loop, because the spindle it is water cooling, so we need the water, and this is a connected place, so don't forget the water. And this area it is rotary. You see this it is used to hold the wood material. This place inside is set the dirty materials, all fall down. It's going away easy. This area is set the rotary is the most important place. the motor inside and the gearbox also inside. It's very important. And the other place, almost the important is here. Also this one. This one it's kind of moving. Now I show you. We use this tool, the 6mm the Allen key. Here have the have the screw. We can loose, and then we can move. The same way it's said when we need to lock, we lock the here. It's okay. And also this side also have. Should be when you are using should be lock fully. If not lock fully, it will be seeking. Front back, it's seeking. The work will be not wonderful. Okay now. The next work is before we working. We need to measure the tool center and the rotary center with the spindle together. Put on. This place, now we use this tool, not use the inner mill. This tool.
你说没把它不是上的，你说用把子进去是，用把子上的。现在是烟。
Don't forget use the spanner to tighten it. Now I show you how to do it. Now we moving. And from the keyboard, we press the 4, it's the X minus. Then press the 0, the speed will be higher. And now it's very nearly the rotary, so we change it to the hand wheel. The hand wheel is here. Hand wheel is here. We press once. So now the hand wheel will be working. This one. We use this hand wheel. Here have the X, Y, Z and 4. Also have the 110, 100. Now we turn to X minus working, going.
差不多一样。
Now we check it. Now the tool center is in the rotary this center. So now it's said the way it's touched is this center. Please.
等会儿。
Now the way. Now we check that it is the way. This way it is the way. Now, so the meaning it says the tool should be in the materials center. The way. Now we set up the way is in the center. If you set up the way not in the center by yourself, usually first we set up the way in the center. So now we go to this place. Now we move to here. This one. Here have the X clear, Y clear, Z clear, and A all axes clear. Now we choose it is the Y clear. Now, are you sure to change the order? Yes. We press Z. Yes. So the Y tend to 0 now. So the Y finished, and then we should be put on the materials. First we let the Z up. This is the materials we already product. Now we should be put on. Before we put on the materials, should be almost search the center and make a hole. Two sides. One hole. They are in center. So check the it's better, this one. It's put inside the more the better, because it will be not seeking. If more out, it will be more seeking. So now, if you put the finish and then lock, off. We also need to lock the place. It's here. We not let it's backing. And then that side 长那样。From front 2 screw and the back 2 screw. One side 4 screws. All should be fully tight. Lock this one. This one, when you lock finish, turn to this one up and then move back. Let this one back. So as said, the spindle will be not touched here in case. Be careful everything. So now the materials we set up finish. Next is we should be set the eggs. Now just we already set the Y. Now we set the eggs. We set the eggs. It's based on your how do you set up the model. You set up in the center the origin or the one side based on your files. We did the files, it is set up in the center. So we move the X to the materials center. The materials we move to here. Now. Use this one, turn to X. Okay, now this place almost the eggs lost the center. Okay, now we should do it. The eggs clear. Very place. And then yes, this place it will be turned to eggs. And the A rotary. Now it is next is A rotary. Now the A it is 0, but now the Z it is in the home position. We can't let it stay in home position. So we move the A. Let it it can turn 360 degree. So this way it can turn to 360 degree, and this way it also can turn to 360 degree. So it will be no problem. It's said the rotary is no problem. Now we clear the A clear. Now this place is the A clear. A clear. We press and yes, the A clear. So next it is only the Z. We not set the Z. Now the important place it is the Z. Now we can set the Z. We should be make sure that we choose which place to set the Z, because the tool you now put on had already can't search for such the rotary center. So now we set the Z from this way. We should be looking for a diameter, please.
累，扭个点，说个意思。
Now the Z already touched here. This one, its diameter, it is 100 mm. So now, we come to here. The Z no use to clear. We should do it is the offset and offsetting. Advanced settings. This place we give it should be always 0. Don't care there. We should be. 暂停。The Z we put there, so the Z also need to clear. We yes here, and then go to here. Once the settings here, we should be plus the diameters half. The diameters half it is 50. So minus 179.6 plus the 50. The minus don't plus. It's said 50. It is 229.6. It is this number. So here it will be show you how many you plus 50 it is. And then now we press OK. So the Z we setting finish, offset finish. Now just then we show you it is how to this set here. Now I should be told you it is the tool. First tool is we not use this tool. We just let you knowing how to set the position. The first tool we used is this one, the end mill. The end mill tool. The meaning is that at the first the wood it is not no use the materials. So first we use end mill cut the materials. Almost the model is coming out, and then we use this tool. This is the last tool. This is the first tool. So now the speed we give it not so much. The Z. Back to the safe place. And then we load the files. And then can working, load the files. Now we choose that one, this name. It's inside. Now we have a try, it's working or not. Now the files, it's here. And we first press, it is hand view. If the hand view, because the files we can't make sure it's correctly or not at the first time. So we use the hand view. And then spindle on. And then start. hand wheel is set. If you are running, the machine is working following the files. If you are not running, it's not working. You see, it's not working. Run is working. If run, it's not working. Now it said it's no problem, the files. If now it said we can press here. Itself will be working. No need run the hand wheel. So now it's said this one. It's working, no problem. And then now we stop it. From here, stop. And then back to zero. We back to zero. The first time we finished the working, and then we change the tool. Just then we used is in the mill. Now we change the tool to this. The first time we finish, it will be turned to like this, and then we can change to this one. Use the spider fully die. And here, so these files it's no need. We should be unload. And other way, the Z we should be reset again because we changed the tool. The Z place already changed. Now the X and Y and the rotary it's no problem. So now we go to change the Z hand wheel. Go to the same place. The Z, the tool touched here, the same way, touched there. So we Z clear, yes, Z clear finish. The same with before. So Z here, we plus the 50, 2 to 3. 2 to 3. No. 2 4 3. 2 4 3. Here it will be show you that offset it is 50. And then press OK. And then now we load the next files. Open. We moved the tool. Let the Z up little. And then use the hand wheel and start. Now we can use the hand wheel. Working. stop it. If it's working, you can from here change the speed. And this function, it said this place, it said we stopped the place. If you want to restart again from this place and then press OK, it's OK. It's working again. The same place. And working again. Okay, about this machine is working. It's just like this. Okay, thank you.